Hey my garden friends, it's Leticia here with another how-to tutorial to help you on your crochet flower journey. Now you know that moment when your crochet flower is absolutely stunning, but then you get to the stems. Sometimes your flowers call for thinner stems, especially when we're creating something like an inflorescence, which is a flower head made up of multiple flowers. And at times it can feel a little bulky, right? And that's the last thing we want when we're aiming for that truly realistic look. Well, today I'm going to share a simple trick I've honed over my 10 plus years of designing these beauties to keep your stems perfectly slender, ditch the wobble head, and transform your blooms into true masterpieces. The secret starts right here with your floral tape. Now, most people just grab it and go, but that's where the bulk comes in. To achieve that delicate lifelike stem, we're actually going to cut our floral tape into thirds, lengthwise. Yes, thirds. This immediately reduces the volume and sets you up for a much thinner wrap. See? Just like this. Now, it might seem like a small detail, but these are the little things that make a huge difference in botanical accuracy. Now let's get into the fun part. Now you want to grab one of your thin strips. It's important to note that you'll need to stretch the tape before you begin to wrap the stem. That's the magic. Stretching it activates the adhesive so it's ready to cling beautifully. Now place your tape about an inch down from the base of the flower head, and we're going to wrap upward first, directly underneath the flower head. This will create a secure anchor. Now as you start, you might notice the flower head feels a little bit wobbly, but don't worry, this is completely normal and easy to be fixed. The trick is to keep pushing the tape tightly upward right underneath the flower head as you wrap. This little push creates a firm supportive base, banishing the wobble. Now once it feels sturdy, you'll start wrapping downward. I like to gently twist the wire stem, in my case using my left hand between my thumb and index finger, while wrapping using my dominant right hand. And if needed, I push it up slightly under the head as I descend. This ensures that secure, realistic connection. Now your job is to continue wrapping, making sure that your dominant hand is wrapping the thread while your other hand is directly under the flower head doing the spinning. This will help create a realistic bloom. Now speaking of realistic blooms, this gorgeous little flower is actually a big part of our next creation within the Garden Club. So get ready because you're about to witness its transformation and you won't want to miss seeing this masterpiece come to life. Until then, keep blooming my garden friends.